Ready to blast off into the world of Bucks? Today, we're breaking down how to buy Bucks tokens on Bybit. Assuming it's listed there, let's get started. First things first, head over to Bybit.com if you don't already have an account. Click the sign up button, follow the prompts to create your account using your email or phone number and create a strong password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to deposit funds into your Bybit account. Click on the deposit button, usually located in the top navigation bar or within your account dashboard. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. USDT or Tether is a common choice for trading. Select USDT and carefully choose the correct network, like Turk20. For lower fees, double-check the address provided and copy it to your clipboard. Now, go to the exchange or wallet where you hold your USDT. In the withdrawal section, paste the Bybit deposit address you copied, select the Turk20 network to match, and enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Confirm the transaction. Remember, it can take a few minutes for the USDT to arrive in your Bybit account. Once your USDT arrives, go to the trade section and search for the Bucks trading pair. The trading pair will likely be Pbux USDT. Make sure you are trading the correct pair. Now, decide how you want to buy. A market order will buy Bucks at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. For simplicity, let's select market order, enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, and click the Buy Bucks button. A confirmation window will pop up showing the details of your trade. Double-check everything and confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you now own Bucks tokens on Bybit. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.